frosty, so shiny. Sweet. You know, those are LEDs, they still pretty bright considering. We got a goddamn light out down there though. Bad though. Fix that light. That light was messed up. Oh, them LEDs, boy, are bright. That one. Just put the whole thing orange. Holy shit. And those are new. Those are still non-LED, but I could change the light bulb over, but they're pretty bright. Good enough. Let me see. That's pretty cool. Check this shit out. I wasn't planning on this, not unless the LEDs are wired up wrong, but I know the polarity sensitive, but now they blink. But that's alright. More indicators, I guess, right? Screw it. Look at all those blinky lights. All blinked right out. Everything. Okay. Saturday. Going on the boat. Night cruise, fishing. Don't know what the hell we're gonna do, but getting more use out of this boat before the end of the damn summer. Damn you, boat.